Hello and welcome to Tutorials by Filthy Facts, and in this episode we are going to go through Word 2016, the Insert and Design tab. So let's just open Word now. Okay, let's go to blank document, let's full screen, and let's go to the Insert tab. So now in the Insert tab you have a lot of things. So let's start off with the pages and let's insert a cover page. So let's for example choose this, and you can customize your cover page as much as you want, and it will automatically add another page to your document. Just press Ctrl Z, and then you can also insert a blank page over here. I don't want another one, so I'm pressing Ctrl Z. You can also insert a page break, which is quite similar to inserting a blank page, but it's not so similar. Then we can insert tables. For example, let's just make all of them. We can do a lot with that. Let's go back to the Insert tab and press Ctrl Z. We can also draw a table. So I can draw, I can make columns, and pretty much this is quite good as well. Then we can insert pictures. For example, this PC. Let me go to documents. Let's just insert this picture, and now you can just you can resize it. You can rotate it. You can move it. For example, okay, I don't want the picture, so I just press delete. Let me go back out there. And then you can insert online pictures, which will load Bing pictures powered by Bing. Let's just go to the first one I saw. So this Delta Airbus A330 will just give the picture up, and you can delete this part of the picture. That part, just delete it, and you have your good looking Delta Airbus A330. So let's just delete the picture, and then back to insert, and you can also insert shapes. Just draw it. We'll be going through more of the shapes and all in later videos. Then we can load icons, something like that. Insert, pretty good. Then we can also include 3D models. Okay, for example, animals. Insert. It's going to insert 3D model 1 of 1. It might take a bit too much of time, like it is right at the moment. Okay, and then you can rotate using the y-axis, z-axis, x-axis, however you want. Shark looks quite unimaginable, but it's quite good. A good new feature of Word 2016. I guess it's available only with Windows 10. So better choose upgrading from Windows 7. That outdated thing, I just hate Windows 7. No offense. You can also insert smart art, which includes all of these tables and text and all of that. Let's just delete it. We don't want it at the moment. Select and delete. And then we can insert charts. So all of these kinds of charts, cancel. And then you can insert screenshots, screen clippings. It's gonna take this screenshot, I guess. You have to select the area you want, and it's gonna, as you can see, quite good features Word has. Let's go back to insert, online video media from YouTube. For example, I'm gonna upload one of my other videos. So where's my video? Yeah, so we're gonna upload this one. For example, it's gonna take you to full screen, and you can watch my video like that. Playback on other websites has been disabled by the video owner. Yes, I've done that because it's my channel. Let's just delete it. So you can, in online video, you can also from a video embed code. We don't want that now. Then you can link stuff, for example, all of that. Then we can bookmark. Okay, I just randomly typed. It's gonna bookmark that. Press Ctrl Z. Cross reference. We won't be going into that now. Then you can comment. So all of this, basically, it will show up if you're sharing this document or anything like that. Just press Ctrl C. You can also add headers and footers. So all of that, who cares about it now? Close header and footer. Control Z, 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 Z. You can also add page numbers, text box as well. So all of these, delete. You can delete that. And then quick paths, auto text. All of these are saved actually. Then document property, it is just subject or anything, just give it on to that. We don't want that at the moment. Word art, we don't want it. This feature is I think also available on the home page, but it works with your custom font, so that's good. I think word art me also work. So signature setup. Okay, so so you have to sign, for example, I have to sign over here. That's good. You can make pretty much everything with Word. Everything. Object, text from file. Okay, I don't want to be opening it now. Then you can also equation, all of this. I don't understand a single thing from here except these x's and y's and all. Algebra. Insert. Delete that. And symbol, for example, an emoji symbol and all that stuff. So we're not done with the insert tab. Let's go on to the design tab. So design tab, you can add all of these things. For example, I type my aim is my god. Okay. I love planes. I love cars. I love Microsoft. Apple sucks. So does Windows 7. Okay, no offense to Apple and Windows 7. So we're gonna select all of this, all of these. So you can just format all of them. So let's put it back to the default one. Then colors, you can also like make all of that. So Control Z Z Z Z colors. I don't find that much of a difference, except if you choose theme, colors, menu. Okay. So it's cost a lot of things. Control Z can be a bit too much. And paragraph spacing, compact. Like basically it's everything to deal with this. Then effects. You can also set the current. Okay, so it's now gonna say set the current style, set and theme, including fonts, colors, effects, and paragraph spacing as a default. These settings will be applied to all new blank documents. No. Watermark. You can also add watermarks. So I'm gonna add a custom watermark. You can add a picture watermark, a text watermark. So Samaria. So you can also change the font and all of the colors and all. I don't want to go in depth in that. So you can see my watermark on the page. Okay, then page color. It's gonna change all the page color, and with black you can see my watermark more. Page borders, you can add a box, for example, like that. Anything pretty much like that. You can also add shadow, 3D, art. I want, for example, cupcakes. It's gonna do that. Quite colorful for kids and all of that. So yeah, this was Word 2016 Insert and Design tab with tutorials by Filthy Facts. I hope you liked this video. Consider subscribing if you want more videos like these, and like this video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, share it, spread the word, and consider subscribing to my other channel as well, Filthy Facts. And thank you for watching, and see you later.